What's up guys, here's my Cayman 987 and I'm going to show you how to fix the taillight issue just in case you get the warning light on your dash that one of your lights is out. My brake light recently went out. All the other videos I saw said you had to take the brake light out. You don't have to do that. Open up the hatch, make some room, take this out, just twist and pull. That'll lead you here. All right, from the back, you want to remove the harness. Just grab both sides of the clip and pull away from the light assembly, like that. So that looks like. This might get in your way, so just kind of just push it towards the back here. This tab, just gonna push that down, and that's gonna break it loose. Just gonna pull away, and you're gonna pull down. See? You'll pull back and then down. And that should give you clearance to pop that out. Here's your light assembly. The other side will just kind of be a reverse of that, but this is your brake light bulb, and it is this size, 7225. This is also a 7225. This bulb, the middle bulb, is going to be a 7528. This one is going to be, I think this is your reverse light. This is going to be a 7506L. Turn signal bulb is going to be a 7507L. I'll leave all the numbers here for reference, just in case I forget, and I can just check and go back whenever I need to. That's pretty much why I'm making this video, because I know it's going to happen again. It's just an old car, pushing 20 years now, so just need to replace the bulbs. Here you go. If this helped you out, give this a like and follow and subscribe. And for reassembly, start with the corner and get this side in, and you're just gonna match it up with the holes for the bulbs, and that's it. Push it in, hear the click, get your harness back on, and you can get back on the road. All right guys, that's pretty much it. So hopefully that helped you out. You ain't gotta worry about removing the whole taillight assembly in order to replace a bulb, because that's ridiculous. See you in the next one.